Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to create a bokeh effect. Open an image. Make a copy of image by pressing Ctrl J. Add one more layer by pressing on plus icon. We are going to create a bokeh brush. For that, select Brush on toolbar. Go to Properties and select Round Brush. Set the size. Go to Brush Properties. On Brush Tip Shape, select the spacing value as shown in the video. Check on Shape Dynamics and select the properties as mentioned in video. Now click on Transfer and change the opacity value to 67. Keep smoothing checked. Now press on plus icon to create new brush style. Name it as Bokeh. Paint the brush over the new layer. Increase or decrease the size of the brush. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Apply Overlay from Layer Properties. Now go to Filter tab and select Gaussian Blur Effect. Apply value up to 9, or you can change the value as per required. Now add one more layer and decrease the size of the brush. Paint over again. Convert the layer to Smart Object and apply Overlay. Apply Gaussian Blur and change the values. Now select the top layer and go to Blending option from Layer Style icon. Select Inner Glow from the list. Select on the box to select the color of glow. Pick white color and keep source as center. Hit OK. Now we need to blur the background to highlight bokeh effect. Select Layer 1. For that, go to Gaussian Blur options from Filter tab, and change the values as shown in video. This is the final result. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to comment what you want to learn next, we will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.